Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from CloudTech. Today I am going to show you like FedRAMP related stuff. Like if you would like to when you are doing the SSH, then how we can do that part. Today I am going to demonstrate that. Like if you want to, or maybe another way I can say, like if you want to add your user for in the EC2 instance for do the SSH, then how we can do that. That I am going to demonstrate today. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the AWS console. So this is my AWS console. Here I have a EC2 instance. Already one instance is running here, up and running. So this instance I have already done that SSH by ec2-user. And if you see, like if you click on connect and go to the SSH client, then you can see here we are doing either root user or maybe by ec2-user, right? We used to do this SSH, right? So in our, like if you don't want to use the root user or ec2 user, if you want to use your own user, then how we can do that? That part I am going to demonstrate. So there are two approach here. One is like just log into this instance one time and then create your user and then set all the permission. And another approach is like just while you are provisioning the instance, right? When you are creating the instance by using user script or cloud edit, you just published all this command, whatever command we are doing this manually, right? Same command we will put in that user data script, and then it will on behalf of you during the provisioning time itself, it will create that user and it will set all the required permission. Okay, guys. So let's try one by one approach first. So let's try first manual approach. Let me show you that here. So I have noted down all these steps. So SSH to EC2 user by using default, then create a user. So this is the command, we can create a user. So let's add this user. So I have already connected this EC2 instance. Okay, so if you don't know how to do SSH, then you can refer my previous video also, where I have already explained how we can use the mobile extent. Okay, then let's add this user in this permission. Like this is the command user mode. Basically we are adding this, and if you check the ID, this is the EC2 user ID, right? Which group, all these things we can see, right? So just now I have added that user to another group, and let's sudo this and create that login successful, and then create mk directory, that folder, and then give the permission of that folder. Okay, guys, this is done, and then create this and then give the permission 600 here, and then do the vi here. One thing we can do, either you can vi this and then copy that paste that public key this EC2 user, right? So if you come out from here and if you go here like SSH and then authorize, right? If you see here already one key is there, right? So let me show you this key, public key. So by using this key we can basically inside this authorized key, right, whatever we have created now for this CloudTech user, right, same for EC2 user, already this key is there, right? If you want to do SSH with this public key, right, then we need to copy this key to this particular user, right? Then how we can copy? There are two approaches. Either you can just copy this key content and then manually paste to that particular user. So just go to the vi from that CloudTech user and then paste that. That is the one approach. And another approach is like if you can directly copy that. So this is also one approach, we can do that. Let's try again, go back to this user. Let's try here. Okay, so copy is done. So I have created user also. So let us now this instance I have connected by this EC2 user. So let us connect the same instance by using CloudTech, whatever user we have created now. By using that, let us try. So let's take the public key here and here paste it, and now put the user advanced. Then we have to connect our private key what we have in our local, right? So let us try it. See, now we are able to connect that our user also. So this is how we can avoid that default EC2 user. Like if you want to avoid that default EC2 user to SSH, then this is how we can avoid. And another approach is like by provisioning time itself. So let me show you that also. So let's go here. This manual step, then it is not required. By during launch time instance also we can do. How we can do? Let me show you. Okay. API something like that. Just give some name. Select this one. Keep here. Let's select default keep here, which I have already created. And then select the existing security group here. And let's go here and go to the advanced section. Here we have one user data section. So in this user data section, we will copy this all this command. Don't worry guys, I will give this all the command in this video description. Okay guys, so that it will helpful to you guys. So yeah, copy what basically it is doing. Same thing whatever we have done manual command, right? So let me just compare the manual and this one. Manually what we have done, we have created the user, then we have give the permission, then we go to this switch to that user, then created this file and then give the 700, then we have created this folder, then give the 600, then we have copied it. Same thing, see here, we created the user, then we gave the permission here, then we created the directory, then we give 700, then we copy that, then we give the permission to, because since we switch here this CloudTech user, right, we no need to change the permission, right? Owner also we need to change, right? Since from automation we are doing, right? Automation means during the launch EC2 instance, default user is EC2 user only, right? So from there only since we are doing, so then we need to change the permission. Then we are giving whatever from that key, right? Whatever public key we pasted here, right? That key 600 permission ready. Okay guys. So let us try this one. So I have selected here. Cross check again, okay, and launch instance. Now this instance directly will connect to SSH, okay, to that CloudTech user. Let us try that. It's running in pending state. Let's wait for a few seconds. It will come as a running state, okay. So now it is in running state. So just go here and copy this public IP. And what we can do, directly we can go here and do SSH and then give this one. And here user we can use instead of EC2 user, right? We can use our own user. Okay. And in that advanced section, let's select the user private key and then here select our key, whatever private key we have in our local, right? This is the key I have attached while I am launching the EC2 instance, right? So let's select here. And let's see we can able to connect here. See ID, we can check this is the user ID and this is the group ID. Okay, this is how we can do, right? So now how we can check that whatever user is there, right? So this is the command. If you want to check the user, right, so you can check here. We have a EC2 user along with that CloudTech user, and then we have here, if you see, root user, right? And another instance which we have just now we have done that also. Let's try that also here. Here also we have CloudTech. These are the user. Now if you want to delete this user, then how we can delete, right? So that also we can do. So delete command is this one. User delete -r, then user. Okay. Recursively it will delete all this thing. Now it is deleted. Now if you try again, right? So let us try again. Just try to connect this instance. Still it is going on. Okay, let us try forcefully otherwise. Permission denied. Okay, so let us do sudo here. Password is required. Okay, I am in the currently this user, right? So let's move to our. Oh, it is already gone. This user is deleted, I guess. just a minute, delete from here. Okay, here it will give the permission issue, I guess. Okay, it is not giving permission. Oh, still I am in this place. Come out here, and from ec2-user, here it will give the permission issue. Okay, right. So let's try sudo here, sudo, and then try forceful also, -. Now let's try to connect that instance here. See, this user is not there. If you now we can check the user details here, like virtual user is there, right? So let us try that. This is the command. Let's try here. We cannot see now here CloudTech, right? We can see ec2-user, but CloudTech is gone actually. So, but in other instance, if you check here, our CloudTech user is there, right? So this is how we can create our own user or custom user to prevent that FedRAMP kind of thing. Maybe in FedRAMP, about this FedRAMP, in my subsequent video I will talk about more details about that, how we can programmatically, how we can prevent that. Okay, so this is how one way we can do SSH non-default user. Okay guys, so I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I request you guys, please subscribe my channel and share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me to create this kind of video. Okay guys, chalo, see you in my next video. Bye.